with Kavika after the show. He's got his CDs for sale over here, but one more time, if you can, please, a big round of applause. Give it up for Kavika Kahiapo.
Well, we saw that Hokulea just launched again for what I think is a 6-month journey through the islands, and visiting all the different ports that celebrate wayfinding, and for the young apprentices and people who are training and building a future for the future of Hokulea, Hikianalia, Makali'i, all the other canoes. It was about a big end for Hokulea and Malama Honua. A few years ago, we were singing at a celebration on Molokai, and I was talking to one of the crewmen for Hokulea, and so when the challenge was posed to them about sailing around the world, it was met with some trepidation. You know, some guys were concerned as to, for all the history of Polynesian voyaging, we've gone through the Pacific Rim, up into Asia, Pacific Northwest. Why would they even consider sailing outside different waters that were never ever charted or sailed with Polynesian vessel? And at some point they all agreed and got on the same page. And there was some heavy planning, and anyway, so they set sail and they went off, and for all the different destinations. I remember one day getting a Facebook post from my friend Billy Richards, who was on the original sail, inaugural sail to Tahiti back in 1976. I was like, oh cool, so I messaged right back. I think the canoe was on its way to Madagascar at the time. And like 2 minutes later, boom, I got a response from Billy. On the canoe, Facebook, back to me and my home in Hawaii, and I'm like, okay, they must have some kind of modern technology, Wi-Fi, whatever action. But anyway, we celebrate Hokulea and what she is really doing to empower young people, Makua, even Kupuna, who are spending time perpetuating something that has been with Polynesians for hundreds of years. The song celebrating the sails and the wind that blows through the sails. From the original album, Hokulea, the group, Roland Casimiro, Mike Ka'ava, Kalani Whitford, Roy Hanohano. Joe and I was just kids learning this music. Anyway, a song called Napea o Hokulea. Mai ke kaula, huki mai kala, pa mai ka makani, o nā pea. Huki mai ke kaula, huki mai kala, pa mai ka makani, o nā pea. O okele ole, ya holea. O haena, lai kava, o okele ole, ya holea. Give me ponono, kuakuikaina, me kalananila.
Big round of applause for Kavika Kahiapo.
Yo, hold on.